Hello, my name's Lee and I'm one of the guides at Get Set Up. We are offering a second half of the class of getting your parents' affairs in order. And when I say parents, it could be anybody from any age group. But in the first class, we talked about why it's so important to take all your personal, financial, medical information, all your important documents, and placing it in one easy to use, accessible system for everybody to share within your family and also caregivers. So in this class, in part 2, we're taking all that information and I'm walking you through how to use it in a spreadsheet where it's easy to use, easy to set up, and easy to share and make it accessible. So you'll be walking out of this class with everything you need to start entering the data immediately. Some of the quotes, some of the feedback I've gotten in this class has been tremendous. I'm overwhelmed with it, but my friends are doing this together to keep us accountable. It's easy to understand and follow. I had a lot of this information already, but I didn't have it on a spreadsheet where it was accessible and easy to read. So I look forward to seeing you in part 2 of setting this up in Google Sheets. And I hope to see you again shortly. Thanks very much.